Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will review the best amazing Dash Express mini donut maker. With pros and cons. If you are looking for accurate and reliable information, watch the full video. So, let's start our review today. Check out the product link in the description box. Bring the joy of fresh, homemade donuts right into your kitchen with the Dash Express mini donut maker. Designed for convenience, speed, and fun, this compact appliance lets you bake 7 perfectly shaped mini donuts in just minutes. No deep frying, no mess, and no hassle. Fast and easy homemade donuts. The Dash Express mini donut maker heats up quickly and cooks evenly, allowing you to prepare warm, fluffy mini donuts in under 5 minutes. Simply pour in the batter, close the lid, and let the double-sided heating plates do the rest. It's perfect for beginners, kids, or anyone who loves quick homemade desserts. Double-sided, non-stick cooking surface. Equipped with a premium non-stick surface, this donut maker ensures even browning on both sides and effortless food release. There's no need for excess oil or butter, making your treats lighter and healthier. Cleanup is quick, just wipe it clean after use. Make 7 mini donuts at once. Bake 7 mini donuts simultaneously, ideal for family snacks, parties, breakfast treats, or dessert platters. Customize your donuts with chocolate, glaze, sprinkles, powdered sugar, or savory batters. The possibilities are endless. Compact and space-saving design. With its small footprint and upright storage design, the Dash Express mini donut maker fits easily into any kitchen cabinet or countertop. The stylish aqua color adds a fun, modern touch to your kitchen decor. Safe and user-friendly. Built with safety in mind, the donut maker features cool touch handles, non-slip feet for stability, and indicator lights to show when it's preheated and ready to cook. Pros and cons. This Dash Express mini donut maker heats up fast and is very easy to use, making fresh mini donuts in minutes. Its non-stick, double-sided heating cooks evenly without frying, offering a healthier option. The compact, lightweight design saves space, and the aqua color looks stylish in any kitchen. Cons. It only makes mini donuts and has a limited capacity of 7 per batch. There is no temperature control or power switch, batter filling can be messy, and the non-removable plates require hand cleaning. That was today's review. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.